Imagine this. Your boss just call and ask you to show a sales dashboard during a meeting. You pull it up your phone and oops, the charts are all over the place. That's where Tableau multi-device dashboard saved the day. In today's video, I will show you how to build a beautiful responsive Tableau dashboard that looks perfect on desktop, tablets, and phones. Trust me, this will changes how you design dashboard forever. Ready to get started? Let's go. Here's what we will cover in this step-by-step tutorial. First, we will see preparing the right dataset with an example scenario. Then we will see building a desktop-friendly dashboard. Then after that, we see about adapting it for tablets and phone with Tableau Device Designer. And then after that, we see testing and publishing your responsive data dashboard. By the end of this video, I will able to create dashboard that work flawlessly on any screen. Sounds good. Let's jump in. Hey, Hammond from KnowHow Academy. So first step is gonna be our choosing the right data set. Here, the first thing we need some data. Let's say you are a regional manager for a retailer store and you want to track daily sales across product, region, and device. I had trained data set which had category, city name, region, and rows ID, product name, everything. This data will help us answer questions like which product is selling the most, which region has the highest sales, and how are accessing our store like desktop, mobile, or tablet. If you don't have data like this, feel free to use any dataset that is relevant to your work, sales, website traffic, or even personal fitness goals. Step is going to be building the desktop dashboard. So now let's start with the desktop dashboard. Desktop layouts are like the full version of your dashboard. They can handle more detail and in bigger visuals. First, we need to connect our data. So it's already been connected. I went to the sheet 1 and it's already there. Let's start creating visualization. Let's make a bar chart to show sales by region. So for that, drag our region to the column region and sales to column, region to rows, and sales to columns. Yeah, make it this like this and little wider for you. So my bar chart has been created. Next, add a line chart for daily sales. For make it little more customizable, I take my sales to the color shelf. So it will show the lighter one has the small sales and the darker one has the light one. Next, I go to this, add another one. I'm going to add a line chart for daily sales trends. Drag date to columns. I go and order date to columns and draw. I'm gonna sales to rows. So my sales data gonna be in, see, it show me line chart. Let me make it wider. Now I take sales to text, so it will show me that how many sales I have been going and that. Finally, create a pie chart to see sales by region. Drag, okay, region to the colors. Okay, I'm going to take it region to the color. Okay, make it the another sheet and drag region to the color. Okay, I will take automatic to pie. Yeah, and take the sales to the angle. I will take sales to angle and make the size little wider so you can able to see it properly. And I will take sales to text also, so it will show me how much sales are there in that region by the region colors. Now dashboard tab and drag your charts on the canvas. I go to the dashboard tab. I'm going to drag my charts to the canvas. Use content to align everything neatly. Think of this as arranging furniture in a room, keeping it clean and logical. If you are presenting this to your sales team, you might want to include a filter for product categories so they can focus on their own areas. Now, let me take sheet 1 dashboard here and line chart here. Okay, make it like this, and sheet 3 should be here. Let me make it customizable. I'll make the pie chart little short so you can able to see all the things very clearly. I will make it this like this. So now I guess it's kind of perfect because the line chart is here, bar chart is here, and the pie chart is here. So now it's time to optimize for tablets and phones. Here's where the magic happens. Making your dashboard responsive. Imagine a field salesperson checking this dashboard on their phone before meeting a client. You want it load fast and show only the most critical information. So now click device preview. I will click on a device preview and see you get an option for tablets and phone. So I will click on this, so you can see it gonna be in desktop. So in desktop, add desktop layout, so it will fit on the desktop layout size. I'm gonna customize it on everything, like rearrange in phones, okay, tablets and everything. Let me show you this in desktop. This one is in tablet. Is it not properly arranged? So let me make it tablet layout. So see how differently is sending it. So I will take it and add it over here, and line chart I will make it little bit customizable for you able to see your trends over time. So you can see now I guess it's pretty cool for you to understand properly. See, you can able to quickly example the bar chart and linear chart vertically instead of side by side for you guys. Now I will make the pie chart little uh, small, so it will able to create it on the phone size too. For the optimize for phones, focus on key matrices like total sales and top performing region. Let me make it to the phone size. I will take this and see. I will go and make it Tableau mobile app. Yes, you can see that's how it's gonna see in the phone version of your that. So by if you have problem in that in pie chart and all, you can adjust it by your own. Stack all visually in a single column for easily scrolling. So think of an app like Uber on your phone. You see the most important data, driver, location, ETA. Your dashboard should work the same way, only the essential on smaller screens. Now test and publishing for that. Now that your layouts are ready, let's take you and publish them. Test your dashboard. Use Tableau preview feature to see how it look on each device. And check for an alignment issue to a text that's too small. I will go to here and see how it really looks in the phone device. See, that's how it looks in the phone version. That's really crazy. Now, I'm going to publish my dashboard to our user friendly. Save our work with the Tableau public cloud or server for you guys. Now share the link on the embedded. I'm going to file. I'm going to save it as my sales data. I'm going to save it. Now there is a share link over here. Go share it, and if you have company portal, so you can do by linking and connect it to the Tableau server for the sharing and publishing your dashboard. Send the link to yourself and view it on your phone or tablet to ensure it's perfect for you. Now, let's quickly recap what we have learned today. We have learned how to prepare a dataset for a multiple device dashboard. We also see designing a desktop dashboard with bar charts, line charts, and pie charts. We also see customizing layouts for tablets and phone using Tableau Device Designer. We also see testing and publishing your responsive dashboard. Now, you are ready to impress your team with dashboard that works anywhere. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of your IT knowledge. We are always here to navigate you to the tech world.